salivary gland chromosomes.
Salivary glands.
Salivary glands chromosome.
Okay. See, two specialized chromosomes are there. These two chromosomes are known as polytene chromosomes and Lamb-Brush chromosome. So they are called giant chromosomes because they are very, very large in their size. So that is all about polytene and Lamb-Brush giant chromosome. I will wish to show you one nice picture of salivary gland chromosome and what are they? Wait for a second. Is the screen visible, students?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is example of this is example of giant chromosome. This is present in the salivary gland of Drosophila fruit fly. I told you about the fruit fly Drosophila. So in their salivary chromosome, there is a big chromosome present. This is having structure like this. And there is another type of chromosome that is called Lamb-Brush chromosome. You can see the image of Lamb-Brush chromosome and why it is called Lamb-Brush chromosome. Actually, what happens is beta, Lamb-Brush chromosome is like a chromosome which is having structure like brush that used long ago for cleaning the lamps. पहले के जमाने में जब कैंडल्स के लैम्प्स होते थे ना, at that time people used to use this kind of lamp brush. आपने भी देखा होगा छोटे बच्चों की जो बॉटल्स होती है उसको वॉश करने के लिए एक ब्रश टाइप का चीज होता है जिसमें से ब्रिसल्स निकले हुए होते हैं. तो लैम्प ब्रश के ब्रिसल्स थोड़े अलग होते हैं and this chromosome exactly look like lamp brush. That's why it is known as lamp brush chromosome. Why it is looking like that? Because DNA is looping around. DNA के loops बनते हैं. And finally it will have a get up like lamp brush. Okay. Any other question, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Very good point, Yesha.
Thank you, ma'am.
So are we ready for the quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Before that, wait, I will share the after reading question. I will say now you people raise your hand and at that time you raise your hand. Name two cell organelles which contain its own DNA material. Raise your hand. Yashvi. Answer.
Mitochondria and chloroplast.
Okay. It should be mitochondria and plastid, beta. Not only chloroplast, others are also there. All of you lower down your hand. For two participant, it is still hand is raised. Per, lower down your hand, beta. So I am noting down the scores. So at the end, we can tally who is the winner. Next question is, which cell organelle function as segregation apparatus? Raise your hand. Devanshi.
Centrosome.
Yes, correct. So here comes the next question. What is the significance of plasma membrane? You need to answer it properly. Raise your hand. Rutu.
It is a semi-permeable membrane and
They asked about the significance of plasma membrane. After Rutu, the next person who raised hand was Devanshi. So you want to answer, Devanshi? If not, then we will go to Kashish.
Ma'am, I had the same answer.
So Rutu, you will be having -1. डरो मत, नहीं करूंगी -1. ठीक है कशिश, आंसर चलो.
Ma'am, plasma membrane is protection of cell.
It's not exactly a protection. If they are talking about significance, beta, you need to be very specific. Significance मतलब क्या है? Importance क्या है? So I cannot take your answer. Khushi, yes, you want to try? Follow.
Ma'am, a plasma membrane is absolutely required for living organisms as it is responsible for relationship of cell with outside world.
It is very good to sound, but it's not clear. Relationship matlab
like the allowing of materials in and out of the cell.
So
and
you should say that, no. We can say that plasma membrane is a membrane which control the entry and exit of substances in the cell. That is why it is very significant to maintain the internal condition of cell. It is very much important to maintain internal and external like entry and exit of the cell. That's why it is very important, no? Understood? Everyone, how to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
See, studying will not be enough, knowing will not be enough. We need to be able to answer questions. चलो. इसमें किसी ने स्कोर नहीं किया, मैंने किया सर. Differentiate between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. 2 marks, 2 difference. Yashvi, you will get -1. मैंने बोला raise your hand. नहीं बोला ना. Then all of you lower down your hand. Raise your hand now. This time it is Kashish once again. She raised her hand on time. Yes, Kashish, bolo.
Ma'am, gram positive have thick peptidoglycan layer and gram negative is peptidoglycan layer.
Great. This is one difference. This is one difference, beta. What about the other? I told you 2 marks, 2 difference.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, second difference is the gram positive is a no lipid layer and gram negative is a lipid layer.
Very good. Very good. Very good. You can also say in gram positive, if like they insist asking about the third difference, then you can mention in case of gram positive, while in gram staining, it is stained as purple, and for negative, it is stained in pink. Understood, beta? Everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो सभी अभी हैंड लोअर
Yes, ma'am.
डाउन करेंगे एंड रेडी हो जाएंगे जैसे ही बोलूंगी कि ध्रुवांशी नीचे हाथ चलो this time we are not going to ask Yesha, Devanshi and Kashish, so please do not raise hand. Let's everyone get opportunity. Okay beta? So why lysosomes are called suicidal bag? Raise your hand. Oh, Vicky ने एकदम nick of the moment raise किया. Yes, Vicky.
Ma'am, lysosomes are known as suicide bags because it contain digestive enzymes. And if they burst, the lysosomes release digestive enzyme which digested all the cell. This leads to the check of cell. Lysosomes are referred to be suicide bags of the cell.
Check of the cell? What do we mean by check of the cell? Vicky? क्या गड़बड़ बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am, death of the cell. Death of the
Ah.
cell. Sorry.
Correct. This and I gave you another reason also for suicidal bag. Can anyone mention that?
Ma'am, lysosomes are very small cell organelles.
No, that's not the reason for me calling them suicidal bag. Lysosome से भी राइबोसोम छोटा होता है. चलो after Vicky, I think Rutu is raising hand, but I can ask Rutu. You know the second reason, Rutu?
Ma'am, is it that they are capable of digesting their own cell, even their own membrane?
They burst, no?
Yes, ma'am. After
That's
bursting.
why. That is
Cause
why
the
they are
consumed
suicidal
the
bag. No, they commit suicide to digest others. That's why they are known as suicidal bag. It is another reason. Okay. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Rutu, lower down your hand. This is an excellent way of revising. Sab revise ho jata hai. Now I am going to 9 number question directly. Which structure is called little nucleus? Ayushi, you are disqualified because you didn't raise your hand. Same for Krishna. Krishna.
It was my mistake.
हाँ तो वो नहीं चलता है गेम में. Now raise your hand. चलो आयुषी ने भी इस बार भी पहली बार उठाया. बोलो आयुषी.
Ma'am, the function of centrosome is the formation.
मैंने बोला I am asking 9 number question. Which structure is called little nucleus?
The little nucleus is plasmid.
No. Wrong answer. Let me ask Krishna this time because other than Ayushi he raised his hand. Bolo Krishna.
Ma'am, nucleolus is called the little nucleus.
Very good Krishna. So now let me talk to the next question. What is the function of contractile vacuole? Raise your hand. Only Yashvi? Yashvi को bonus marks मिल जाएगा. Yashvi, I told you not to raise your hand बेटा. पहले सबको एक मार्क स्कोर करने दो फिर खेलेंगे. चलो पर्स तुम बोलो.
Ma'am, the function of contract vacuole is taste toward the undigested food of organisms.
No, wrong answer. मतलब करेक्ट है बट लाइक कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल क्यों बोलते हैं उसको पर चलो आई कैन टेक योर आंसर इट्स नॉट टोटली रॉन्ग इट्स हेल्प तुमको बोलना इट हेल्प्स इन engulfing of the food and excretion of the excretory substance. This should be the answer. Understood? Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Vicky, Devanshi, wish to say something regarding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, the contractile vacuoles act as a part of protective mechanism that prevent the cell from absorbing too much water and possibly lysing through excessive internal pressure.
Difficult है बाप रे इतनी difficult terminology में why you speak? I just want to know.
मैम नोट्स बनाई थी ऑनलाइन.
हाँ, but that is correct. But try to memorize not the language, but that's what I suggest कि आप language को memorize मत कीजिए. आप मतलब concept को memorize कीजिए तो आपके पास ये ज्यादा देर तक mind में रहेगा, है ना? Anyways, it's not wrong also, so I cannot say anything. Let's go to the next question. Next we will look into the who gave the statement called omnicellular cellula. Raise your hand. This time I will allow Sujal to answer. Bolo beta.
Ma'am, Rudolf Virchow.
Rudolf Virchow. Okay, his
Yes,
name
ma'am.
was Virchow. क्या करें उसको भी हम सुजल बोलेंगे तो वही अनन्या बोलेंगे उतना ही कंफ्यूज होने वाला है बेचारा बच्चा. Anyways, now I will go to the question number 18. Which organelle is called engine of the cell? Sujal, low down your hand, beta. Which cell organelle is known as engine of the cell? 3 people will be disqualified because I didn't say raise your hand. Raise your hand now. Oh, everyone is answering. But the first hand was raised by Parv. Bolo Parv.
I'm ribosome.
Why it is called engine of the cell? Why do you think?
Ma'am,
No?
I think it helps in the synthesis of protein, therefore.
So engine क्यों होगा?
Ma'am, it's because it provides the energy to the cell.
Protein is not never providing energy. Carbohydrate is something which is providing energy. Yes, Rujal, what is your opinion?
Ma'am, cells make their protein.
Have you like heard the question that I asked? I asked which cell organelle is called as engine of the cell. Still, I can see so many hands raised. But you low down your hand. So, Dhruvanshi, you wish to answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because all the enzymes are secreted from protein, from different protein, and ribosome only secretes protein. That's why.
So that is the answer with correct reason. That's why I am considering Dhruvanshi's answer as a correct one. Okay. Because ultimately engine is doing what? Engine का काम क्या होता है? कि वो पीछे के जितने भी connected bogies होते हैं, it's going to drag it, isn't it? So that is why it is very much important for an engine to like very much important for a cell to like so it is that's why it's called engine of the cell. Class,
Yes, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's take the next question. Karyotype. Acha, why is karyotype done at metaphase? Now I will take the fastest one because I guess everyone got their first odd chances. So now whosoever is answering, bonus marks will be added. So next question of mine is, why is karyotype done at metaphase? Raise your hand. No one? Yes, Vicky.
Ma'am, karyotypes is done as metaphase because metaphase is the only stage in which cells cycle when the chromosomes are unduplicated and line up along the equatorial plate of the spindle.
So that means we can see them clearly, isn't it? Very good, Vicky.
Yes.
Good
Yes.
answer. Good answer.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you explain what is karyotype?
I think I explained last time, isn't it? Like it was not clear to you, beta.
Yes, ma'am, I was
Karyotyping means
doubting.
study of chromosome. Chromosomes का study करना is called karyotype. And
Okay, ma'am.
diagrammatic representation of chromosome is known as ideogram.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me like come to the next question. Expand PPLO. PPLO. Raise your hand. This time it was Khushi who was first. Yes, Khushi. Bolo. PPLO.
Ma'am, PPLO's full form is Pleuropneumonia-like organism.
Pleuropneumonia-like organism. Very good. Next question of mine is, give two difference between cell wall and cell membrane.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Okay, is it so? Give two
Yes.
difference between cell wall and cell membrane. 23 number question. I didn't say raise your hand. Vicky, lower down your hand. Raise your hand now. Ayushi.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
cell wall is the outermost membrane, whereas the plasma membrane is the inner layer after cell wall. Cell wall is composed mainly of cellulose, whereas plasma membrane is composed of proteins and lipids.
Very good, Ayushi. Very brief answer. And bang on, bullseye. So अभी तक सभी को 1-1 marks हुआ है. Only Vicky scored 1 bonus mark. So all of you try, है ना? Which organelle is responsible for increasing the surface area of absorption in the cell, and how? I am talking about 24 number question. Which organelle is responsible for increasing the surface area of the cell and how? Raise your hand, beta. This time it is Rutu. Yes, Rutu.
Ma'am, the organelle is mitochondria, and the oxysomes present in mitochondria helps in doing so.
No, wrong answer, Rutu. Wrong answer. Can anyone answer it correctly?
Ma'am, may I?
Ayushi. Yes, Ayushi, bolo.
Ma'am, mitochondria helps to increase the surface area of the absorption.
They are
because
talking
it has-
about surface area of cell.
Yes, ma'am. The mitochondria helps to increase the surface area of absorption in cell because it has double membrane, which provides more area for absorption.
Anyone, any idea? मतलब कोई दूसरा आंसर?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
चलो यशवी को
Ma'am, may
ऑप्शन
I?
देते हैं इस
Ma'am, may
बार.
I?
विकी इसके बाद तुम. बोलो
Ma'am,
यशवी.
plasma membrane or cell membrane.
Correct answer. Reason?
Because it has a microvilli on its structure which helps in increasing surface area of
Very
cell
correct.
organ.
Rutu, I am shocked that why you don't know the answer. Mitochondria cell का कैसे surface area बढ़ाएगा बेटा? Yes, Vicky, want to say something बेटा?
No, ma'am, my answer was same.
हाँ. So now Yashvi and Vicky both are having one marks extra. So let us try now. Last question. Multicellular organisms have better survival than their cellular counterparts. Why? Multicellular organisms have better survival than their cellular counterpart. Why? Raise your hand. Yes, Vicky.
Multicellular organism because they are able to perform specialized function in the body and must retain some unspecialized cell that can replenish cell when needed.
Very correct. That means if like consider एक amoeba है, उसका अगर एक सेल मर गया मतलब वो पूरा ही मर. But हमारे बॉडी में अगर 10 भी सेल मर गए, and if those are not very vital part, बाकी के कितने सेल्स होते हैं to make us survive? Vicky is leading आ, संभालो कोई किसी कुछ करो, नहीं तो आज के दिन का क्विज जीत जाएगा. Others be active. Okay. Chalo, now we have MCQ, so you need to tell me option A, B, C, D. So I am talking about the first question. Who is known as the father of cytology? Okay, so who is known as the father of cytology? 4 options. Screen is visible? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, like, raise your hand, beta. Again, Vicky? Yes. Bolo.
Ma'am, option A.
Swanson. कैसे?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, CP Swan.
Yes, you are correct. बाप रे विकी मतलब आज सोच के गया है कि नहीं मुझे हराना मुश्किल है. चलो, लो डाउन योर हैंड विकी. Who discovered nucleus? 4 options are there. Rutu, you will not be considered, beta. I didn't say raise your hand. Raise your hand now. So this time Ayushi rose the hand first. Yes, Ayushi.
Ma'am, option A, Robert Brown.
Very correct. You need to be fast. Okay, class. Bacteria can be classified in a general way by their forms. These three groups are Coccus bacillus spiral, Bacillus spiral helix, Coccus helix spiral, spiral cyanobacteria helix. So I am asking question. Vicky, you will be disqualified. You will not answer this question. Why you raising hand? Raise your hand. So this time it is first time raised by Perf. Bolo Perf.
Ma'am, option A
Very good.
is the correct one.
Very good. Very good. Fraction of seconds difference is there between you people's raising hand, and I'm really happy that all of you are so much actively participating. I must share something here. Let's answer. Why is capsule advantageous to bacterium? Okay, let me share the option. Allows bacterium to hide from host immune system, allows bacterium to attach to surface, protect it from desiccation, provide means of locomotion. So raise your hand. Ayushi, what you are doing? Chalo. This time also Ayushi raised hand first. Bolo Ayushi.
Ma'am, option A allows bacterium to hide from its host immune system as
Yes.
it provides a jelly-like layer on its surface.
Capsule is never jelly-like, Ayushi. Let me tell you, capsule is always hard. The jelly-like or slippery layer is slime layer.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a shiny, shiny in appearance. Question number 5. Class buck up, huh? Devanshi Kashish, low down your hand, beta. अभी से नहीं. चलो. Prokaryotic genetic system contains DNA and histone, DNA but no histone, neither DNA nor histone, either DNA or histone. Class, raise your hand. This time it is Devanshi. Chalo Devanshi bolo.
Ma'am, option A, DNA and histones.
Wrong answer. I will give option 2. Perf this time. No, let me take someone whose I did. Chalo Yashvi bolo.
Ma'am, answer is B. They are having DNA but no histone protein.
Yes. Let me tell you, in case of prokaryotes, non-histone proteins are there, not histone. Okay. Actually, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I am taking pick after saying this. तो उसमें जितना पता चल रहा है shutter speed से I am deciding. Okay. चलो. Let's go to the next question. Which of the following statement is correct about gram-negative bacteria? Penicillins are effective antibiotic to use against them. They often possesses an outer cell membrane containing lipopolysaccharides. Their chromosomes are composed of DNA tightly wrapped around histone proteins. The cell walls are primarily composed of peptidoglycans. So, class Devanshi, your activity will not be considered because you raised your hand in advance. Same is for Vicky. Class, raise your hand. So this time it is Rutu who raised her hand first. Follow Rutu.
Ma'am, the correct option is B.
लिपोप्रोटीन का होता है, लिपोपॉलीसैकेराइड का नहीं होता बेटा. कैसे?
Yes. Sorry.
Okay. Bacteria having tough flagella on both the ends are called. Vicky, अब तुमको नहीं आंसर करने को मिलेगा. Raise your hand. ध्रुवांशी, बोलो.
Option C.
What is the option C? नहीं, wrong answer. बोलो. इसके बाद सृजल था. सृजल,
मैम
you want
मैम
to
मेरा भी
answer?
सी था मैम.
तो बोलो विकी.
मैम ऑप्शन बी.
लोफोट्रिकस. एम्फीट्रिकस मतलब दो साइड में हो. लाइक नहीं सही था. बोथ द साइड्स बोला है. इट वाज करेक्ट. ध्रुवांशी, यू आर करेक्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
So let me declare the score till now. चलो मैं थोड़े और क्वेश्चंस ले लूं, then I will see. Let's go to the next question. Cell wall is permeable, semi-permeable, differentially permeable, impermeable. Kashish, Dhruvanshi, I didn't say raise your hand. Raise your hand now. So it is Ayushi who raised her hand first. Bolo.
Ma'am, option B, semi-permeable.
Wrong answer. Cell wall is semi-permeable. तो cell membrane की जरूरत क्या है?
Then, ma'am, it is option A.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलता है. Then it is option A थोड़ी ना चलता है. Then तो नहीं चलता है. फर्क बोलो चलो.
मैम ऑप्शन ए परमिएबल.
Yes, it is permeable to everyone. Generally, because उसमें life ही नहीं है. It cannot decide. So first score is also 3, huh? Parv is having 3, then Ayushi is having 3, Yashvi is having 3, and Vicky is having 4. Vicky is leading. चलो, हम जाते हैं वापस. Addition of new cell wall particles among the existing one is called. Do you know this answer? चलो, raise your hand. Vicky बोलो.
मैम डिपोजिशन.
It is intussusception. Addition of new cell wall particles amongst the existing one. That is called intussusception. Okay. You want to say something else, Dhruvanshi and Sujal?
No ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the innermost portion of mature plant cell called? Raise your hand. So this time Yashvi is the first one. Bolo Yashvi.
Ma'am, primary cell wall.
सोच के बताओ. Wrong answer Yashvi.
अरे हाँ, मैं मिडल लैमेला फिर प्राइमरी
चुप
सेल
चुप
वॉल
चुप चुप. अभी now your answer time is gone. ऋतु बोलो चलो.
मैम.
ऋतु बोलो.
Ma'am, the correct option is B.
Wrong answer. अब तो कुछ बचा नहीं, इसलिए मैं बोल देती हूँ. It will be टोनोप्लास्ट. हमने पढ़ा नहीं था कि सेल वॉल वैक्यूल्स इतने बड़े हो जाते हैं कि साइटोप्लाज्म इज अरेंज्ड एज अ थिन लेयर. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड टोनोप्लास्ट. समझ में आया? इफ यू लुक
Ma'am,
इनटू द देखो,
Ma'am, the secondary cell wall layer is formed only when the plant is in mature state.
They are asking, ऐसे दो सेल्स के बीच में क्या रहेगा? There will be middle layer. Then inside there will be primary cell. Then there will be secondary cell. फिर सेल मेम्ब्रेन रहेगा. उसके बाद तो टोनोप्लास्ट रहेगा ना बेटा. तो सबसे अंदर कौन हुआ? out of these 4 options, who will be present at एकदम जो innermost portion कौन होगा?
Middle lamella.
How come it will be middle lamella? एक cell में if you are talking from outside to inside बेटा, I told you to be careful while answering such questions. देखो ये अगर एक सेल है और ये कंसीडर करो एक दूसरा सेल, जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म्ड लेयर होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड मिडल लेवल। मैंने आपको तब भी समझाया था, अगर आप दूसरा देख रहे हो कि आपको दूसरा लेयर इसके अंदर बनेगा, दैट लेयर विल बी कॉल्ड प्राइमरी सेल वॉल। इसके बाद जो दूसरा लेयर बनेगा दैट विल बी कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल। ठीक है, इसके बाद देयर विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन, और सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर अगर कोई एक थिन लेयर रहेगा दैट विल बी कॉल्ड टोनोप्लास्ट, दैट विल बी द लेयर ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म, इजंट इट? तो आप अगर ये सेल नंबर 1 को कंसीडर कर रहे हो, इसके बाहर सबसे बाहर कौन सा लेयर हुआ? मिडल लैमेला ना, बाकी के लेयर्स अंदर की तरफ होते हैं। सो इनर मोस्ट तो हमेशा टोनोप्लास्ट ही होगा ना बेटा, यस और नो? What do we mean by tonoplast?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा।
मैम बट अगर हम टोनोप्लास्ट लिखते हैं तो ऐसा एक्सेप्शन भी कर सकते हैं ना कि वो वैक्यूल का लेयर है।
Ma'am, can you please repeat all the layers once again which you have drawn?
Primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and tonoplast. So in that case, that's a valid point. If you exclude tonoplast, then the innermost layer will be secondary cell wall, not primary cell wall or medulla. If you want to exclude tonoplast with a definition that it is not part of cell wall, then you can say it is secondary cell wall. But middle lamella तो किसी एंगल से नहीं होगा। Clear class?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Then ये middle lamella किसने आंसर किया था? सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल किसने आंसर किया था?
मैम मैंने
कौन? मैं कौन?
मैम ऋतु।
हाँ चलो, तो you got 1 marks. But ऋतु सिर्फ 2 marks है, अब इसको आगे खींचो। And Vicky is still leading. Vicky, control your raising hand so that you can score more better.
Ma'am, Vicky left.
Why? Maybe having some kind of network error. He will rejoin, no problem. कहाँ गए? Membrane is held together primarily by hydrophobic attraction, hydrophilic attraction, covalent bond, ionic bond. This part I am not asking because you didn't still study biomolecules. The most abundant lipid in the cell membrane is phospholipid, steroid, cholesterol, and QT. Who is going to answer this? Raise your hand. चलो सृजल बोलो।
मैम ऑप्शन ए।
Phospholipid, correct. Why Vicky left? If anyone is having his phone number, tell him to join. No, because he is leading actually. The model of plasma membrane was given by Singer, differed from that of Robertson model in. This question is also not required. So we are going to last few questions. Chemical nature of ribosome is, this is also not possible because you see these are questions for NEET exams, no? So they don't ask question from a single chapter. There may be concepts which are related to 2 chapters get entangled. That's why. So which Which ion can hold ribosomal subunits together? Two subunits of ribosomes are there. Which ion can hold it together? Okay, raise your hand. Yes, Rutu.
Ma'am, the correct option is C, magnesium ion.
Very good. I didn't expect you to answer this beta, but it's very correct. During protein synthesis, magnesium ion is responsible for connecting to subunits of ribosome together. Correct. So let us go to the 18 number question. Microsomes are attached with endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, and ribosomes. Raise your hand. Kashish, bolo.
Ma'am, option A, endoplasmic reticulum.
Why?
Ma'am, microsomes are touched with endoplasmic reticulum.
So what are microsomes? I want to hear that. They are small, like what I can say, vesicular structure. I taught you that endoplasmic reticulum is known as tubule, cisternae, tubule, and vesicle. The small vesicular structures are called microsomes. Okay, clear?
Okay,
Class?
ma'am.
So,
Yes,
Rutu, low down your hand. Last two questions. This last question was answered by who? This microsome wala. Who answered this last question?
Ma'am, may Kashish.
Kashish. I need to add one more. So, what parts of the Golgi complex? Nuclei, cytoskeleton, ribosome, vesicles. Raise your hand. Yes, Dhruvanshi.
Ma'am, option D, vesicles.
Yes, correct. Very correct. Last question, and I must say कि किसी एक जन जो जिनको 3 हुआ है, they need to convert it into 4. Otherwise, Vicky ना रह के भी जीत जाएगा. So I am asking last question. Devanshi, हाथ नीचे. In a living cell, mitochondria can be stained with neutral red, crystal violet, acetoarsine, and Janus green. Janus green. Raise your hand. Yes, Ayushi.
Ma'am, option D, Janus green.
Very correct. So with this, Ayushi's score is 4. So let me declare the positions. Ayushi and Vicky, both of them scored 4. Then Yashvi, Rutu, Parv, and Ayushi. Ayushi का तो हो गया. They scored 3, 3, 3, 3. Rest all scored for 2, 2, 2. So I think this was a very nice way of revision, and we can consider this type of revisions. In next chapter, we will write a picture game as a revision, because next chapter we will learn about the division of cell. So lot many images will be there. What I will do is I will display one image and you will tell me about that. That will be our way of revising the chapter. So can I take it in this grade 11 all students are done with the chapter cell?
Yes, ma'am.
So you go through the questions present at the back side of your textbook, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Okay. Class, can you
Yes,
please
ma'am.
take your textbook and have a look into the questions present at the back of your textbook, and let me know if you have any doubt in any question, because that way we will complete that part only, and from tomorrow onwards we will start with the next chapter, that is cell division. So take your